Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to avoid losing any small screws. First, power off your HP 15seq1018ns and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will ensure your safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop punto. There are typically DS to DATOS screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, locate the LCD cover. It is typically secured with additional screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws, keeping track of their locations. If you find it difficult to access certain screws, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our team can assist you with this process. Once all the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached to the cover. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Before installing the new LCD cover, take a moment to inspect the area for any damage or debris. If you need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, align the new LCD cover with the screen and carefully press it into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. If you're unsure about the process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. After securing the LCD cover, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are all tightened. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power on your laptop to test the new LCD cover. Check for any issues with the display and ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for help. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the LCD cover on the HP 15seq1018ns. Remember, if you need assistance at any point, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.